Dear students, last time I have told you regarding charges. Charge कौन केमती डेभलप होला केमती को मेथड रे डेभलप होला ए विषय में कही तुमको मुझे ओडिया टिके कही दूँ खाली जस्ट जाज पढ़ी ताको रिफ्रेश करने कही दूँ तुमको आम जो ग्लास रड टाक गोटे सिल्क धीरे घसुचे से घर्षण जो सिल्क को किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हो जाऊँगी जहाँफल ग्लास रडटा पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो जाऊँगी एवं सिल्क जेहेतु अधिका इलेक्ट्रॉन पाँच से नेगेटिव चार्ज हो जाऊँगी तेणु आम कही दुईटा टाइप ऑफ चार्ज अच्छी गोटे है पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गोटे नेगेटिव चार्ज एवं मुझे कही तुमको चार्ज आ मास भितर कौन डिफरेंस से कही एवं व्हाट आर दी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ चार्ज से कही प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ चार्ज रे आम कही चार्ज गोटे स्केलर क्वांटिटी चार्ज हूँ क्वांटाइज्ड माने आम चार्जटा सब गोटे मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज गुणितक थाए आम गोटे जेकोसी बॉडी रे चार्ज करवा से केवल चार्जटा टू ई हम कि प्लस माइनस ई हम प्लस माइनस 2 ई हम प्लस माइनस 3 ई हम प्लस माइनस 4 ई हम यही भाव में चार्ज केवल गोटे वस्तु भितर रहीपर जोटा आम क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज बोली कहते सिमिलरली मुझे कही जे कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज यूरानियम गोटे एग्जांपल देती यूरानियम 92 जिते डिके करे भांगी जाए से थोरियम हुए और आल्फा पार्टिकल गोटे हीलियम न्यूक्लियस हुए तेणु थोरियम यूरानियम प्रोटॉन नंबर हूँ 92 ताने प्लस 92 ई थिला एवं डिके परे थोरियम है थोरियम आटमिक नंबर हूँ 90 नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन अच्छी 90 प्लस 90 ई एवं आल्फा पार्टिकल प्लस 2 ई तेणु आफ्टर डिके से 92 ई रहा पूर्व थिला से 92 ई जोटा कहते कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज तेणु युवाक मुझे काली कही टे यूनिट कही यूनिट हूँ चार्ज यूनिट हूँ कूलम जिते कि 6.25 10 to 16 इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज को आम 1 कूलम बोलिकी डिफाइन करथाउ एवं से चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आम बाहर करते जे केते ना 1/1.6 इंटू 10 to 19 कूलम एवं आउ गोटे कथा कही इनवेरिएंस ऑफ चार्ज जेकोसी फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस रे आमे चार्ज को मापिबा ताले आमे देखिबा जे चार्ज रिमेन्स दी सेम जोटा कहते इनवेरिएंस ऑफ चार्ज तापर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज सहित आमे मास को कंपेयर करथिले एवं कूलम्स लॉ कहिथिले कूलम्स लॉ कहला बेले आमे कहिथिली जे एटा केवल वैलिड वेरी लार्ज डिस्टेंस रे एवं स्मॉल डिस्टेंस विद इन दी डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 to the -13 मीटर कहना 10 to the -13 मीटर हूँ न्यूक्लियर रेडियस न्यूक्लियस भितर आम जाने प्रोटॉन गुड़ा अच्छा बहुत नंबर ऑफ यूरानियम हूँ 92 प्रोटॉन रोचे तेणु प्रोटॉन सब आम कूलम्स लॉ कहूँ प्रोटॉन गुड़ा पॉजिटिव चार्ज तेणु लाइक चार्जेस विल रिपेल तो रिपेल कले ता भितर केमती 92 प्रोटॉन रे तेणु से कूलम्स लॉ से वैलिड नुहे से जो न्यूक्लियस भितर जो टाइप ऑफ फोर्स अच्छी से हूँ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कूलम्बिक फोर्स तेणु न्यूक्लियर फोर्स इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कूलम्स फोर्स एवं आम से कही जे रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी रिलेटिव गोटे मीडियम भितर जो हो फोर्सटा कूलम्स लॉ अनुसार फोर्स इज 1/4πε0 Q1 Q2/r²। इप्सिलॉन 0 हूँ परमिटिविटी ऑफ द फ्री स्पेस एवं जेकोसी मीडियम रे से फोर्सटा टे चेंज हो से 1/4π इप्सिलॉन Q1 Q2/r²। इप्सिलॉन हूँ परमिटिविटी ऑफ द मीडियम जोटा कि से मीडियम प्रॉपर्टी को डिटरमिन करे एवं आप महोदय कही इप्सिलॉन r जोटा हूँ रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी से हूँ डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट संगे सामान एवं जोटार मूल्य हूँ सामान इप्सिलॉन/इप्सिलॉन 0 एवं यूनिट ऑफ इप्सिलॉन 0 बाहर करते यूनिट डायमेंशन ऑफ इप्सिलॉन 0 आम बाहर करते टुडे I will speak to you on electric field. What is a field? तुम फील्ड साधारण भाव में जान फील्ड माने गोटे जगह स्पेस तुम गाँव में मनकर गोटे दुष्ट लोक अच्छी गुंडाटी अच्छी माने तार फील्ड हूँ इज कन्फाइंड टू योर विलेज तुम गाँ को कन्फाइंड हो रोचे तेणु से गाँ भितर दादागिरी कर गाँव बाहर गले आउ बड़ बड़ दादा अच्छा जो मैंने कि ये करदे तेणु से गाँ भितर तार फील्ड हूँ गाँ भितर से जा किसी कर से चंबल उपत्यकार तुम जान फुलन देवी थी माधु सिंह थी इन सब बड़ बड़ डाकू जो मैंने कि से चंबल उपत्यका भितर ही कन्फाइंड थिला चंबल बरे बाहर से किसी कर कहीं से ताठू आहरी बढ़िया सब डाकू सब थिले सो दैट इज ए माने जनरल सेंस फील्ड रो अर्थ होची सेमती इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड माने गोटे रिजियन सराउंडिंग ए चार्ज गोटे चार्ज अच्छी मन कर वी हैव ए प्लस क्यू चार्ज अच्छी गोटे पॉइंट रे प्लस क्यू चार्ज अच्छी तेणु यही प्लस क्यू चार्ज सराउंडिंग रे जो गोटे रिजियन अच्छी जो रिजियन की जब आउ गोटे चार्ज आम आने इफ यू ब्रिंग अनदर चार्ज सो दिस चार्ज विल एक्सपीरियंस ए फोर्स सो से जो रिजियन को आम कहे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज ए रिजियन और स्पेस सराउंडिंग द चार्ज in which if another charge is brought so that will experience a force may be attractive or may be repulsive तर एटार गोटे मनकर यही रिजियन हूँ यार भितर आउ गोटे चार्ज आम आना ताहले यही चार्जटा तापर किसी प्रभाव पकई पार प्रभावटा पॉजिटिव हो पार अट्रैक्टिव हो पार बा रिपल्सिव हो पार किंतु बियॉन्ड दिस रिजियन सो दिस चार्ज विल हैव नो इफेक्ट यहाँ तापर किसी प्रभाव पकई पार ना मनकर मुझे गोटे प्लस क्यू चार्ज रखी प्लस स्मॉल क्यू चार्ज रखी ताहले ये चार्जटा ताकू कौन कर ना ठेलियो रिपल्सन कर जदि माइनस चार्ज रखी लिबुनी लिबुनी माइनस चार्ज रखी ताहले ये कौन कर ताकू अट्रैक्ट कर तेणु यही फील्ड रिजियन भितर जदि अनदर चार्ज इज ब्रॉट सो दैट विल एक्सपीरियंस ए फोर्स मे बी अट्रैक्टिव और मे बी रिपल्सिव सुखी जाऊँ तेणु इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज ए region surrounding the region or space surrounding the charge in which any other charge experience a force. Then we will measure the strength of the electric field, or that is called a strength of electric field or intensity of electric field. Strength of the electric field or intensity of electric field at any point in an electric field is defined as the force experienced on a unit positive charge placed at that point. If you place a positive charge, unit positive charge, the force experienced by the charge is called strength or intensity of electric field. तेणु field region भितर जदि आमे गोटे प्लस क्यू चार्ज रखिबा बा यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखिबा सी जेतिकी फोर्स पकेबो सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी और स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तेणु सब बेले स्ट्रेंथ बाहर करने आमको यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज नवा पड़ो धर प्लस क्यू चार्ज पे आम जब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी बाहर करवा जो जगह बाहर करवा मनकर यही पॉइंट रे बाहर करवा तेणु यही पॉइंट गोटे आम यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखा सिमिलरली माइनस क्यू चार्ज मनकर निहाई तार फील्ड रिजियन भितर जब आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी बाहर करवा ताल से जगह प्लस यूनिट चार्ज रखा सब बेले प्लस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी बा स्ट्रेंथ बाहर करने आमको जो जगह बाहर करवा से जगह प्लस यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखा पड़ो तेणु आम लिखिले गोटे यही पॉइंट मन दिस इज ए पॉइंट ओ जो जगह प्लस क्यू चार्ज अच्छी एवं से चार्ज प्लस क्यू चार्ज गोटे फील्ड अच्छी यही रिजन टाक आम कहे तार फील्ड तेणु से फील्ड रिजन भितर ही आम तार स्ट्रेंथ बाहर करवा और स्ट्रेंथ बाहर करने जेको जगह ये जगह मन बाहर करवा पी पॉइंट रे आम स्ट्रेंथ बाहर करने चाहूचे तेणु आम कौन करवा ना यही जगह गोटे यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखा क्यू चार्ज रखा प्लस क्यू चार्ज रखा एवं प्लस क्यू चार्ज रखिले भितर डिस्टेंस मनकर आर तेणु अकॉर्डिंग टू कूलम्स लॉ फोर्स होची जदि यहाँ एयर रे अच्छी वैक्यूम रे अच्छी तेणु फोर्स इज इक्वल टू 1/4πε0 द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू चार्जेस प्लस क्यू एंड प्लस क्यू QQ divided by distance between the two charges is R, so that's equal to R square. So that is the force, and this force is a Coulombic force. Force will be, direction will be outward, because this is positive charge and this one is the positive charge, so they will repel. And direction is outward. Along OP. For negative charge, the force will be, similarly the force will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square, but direction will be inward. So for plus q charge at point P, the force is this much. It is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. So q charge by force hochi F. So unit charge by force will be F by plus q. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square divided by q. So that is equal to, so this is a direction is, for this case this direction is outward. So direction is along OP. And this is your electric field intensity. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. And unit of electric field intensity. So electric field intensity E is equal to F by Q. So E is equal to F by Q plus Q. So unit of electric field intensity will be unit of force divided by unit of charge. So in SI system, unit of electric field intensity is equal to force ra unit hochi Newton divided by charge unit hochi Coulomb, Newton by Coulomb. So electric field intensity in SI system unit is Newton by Coulomb. Similar dimension will be dimension of E electric field intensity is equal to dimension of F divided by dimension of Q. Last time I have told you that force is mass into acceleration. Mass is m, acceleration is Lt to the power minus 2, charge is at, dimension of charge is at, and dimension of force is this much, this one, mLt to the power minus 2. So the dimension of E electric field intensity will be m, L, T goes off, becomes minus 3, a to the power minus 1. So this is the unit and dimension of electric field intensity. Then electric lines of force or flux. Electric lines of force or flux. Electric flux. It is a line or a curve drawn in an electric field such that tangent at any point shows the direction of resultant electric field intensity at that point. It is a line or a curve. Note it down. It is a line or a curve drawn in an electric field such that tangent at any point shows the direction of a resultant electric field at that point. It is a line or a curve. Suppose you take an isolated plus Q charge. So this charge will have an electric field. So it will have an electric field. So within the field region, so you want to find the electric field intensity. Suppose that means you have to keep a unit positive charge. So this charge will repel this charge. So the direction of the electric field intensity is outward. Similarly, at any point you can, at so many points inside the field region, you can keep positive charge, and here suppose you keep a positive charge, so force will be like this. Electric field will be outward. Similarly, you can draw so many lines keeping unit positive charge at different points. So these lines are called electric lines of force. So this is for isolated positive charge. So these are called electric lines of force. So electric lines of force is a line for this positive charge, isolated positive charge. Similarly, if you take a minus Q charge here, so lines of force will be similarly any point you choose, there you keep a unit positive charge. So everywhere to find the intensity, you have to take the unit positive charge at that point. So if you keep a unit positive charge here, so this negative charge will attract the positive charge, so direction will be inward. So lines of force will be inward. Similarly, you can draw so many lines. So lines of force will be inward for negative charges. For isolated, this is for isolated negative charge. So for this negative isolated negative charge, lines of force or flux are straight line, and it is inward. Similarly, for isolated positive charge, isolated means no other charge is being placed except this one. So for isolated positive charge, the lines of force are outward, these are straight lines. Similarly, for negative Q charge, it is a straight line, lines of force is a straight line, and it is inward. But if there are two charges very close to each other, the lines of force or flux will be a curve. Suppose one positive charge is here, another negative charge is here. This is plus Q charge and this is minus Q charge placed very close to each other. Then lines of force will be a curve like this. So when two charges plus Q and minus Q are placed very close to each other, then lines of force will be a curve. And so it is a line or a curve. For isolated charges, it is a line, and for two charges very close to each other, it is a curve. as shown in the figure. And suppose it is a line or a curve drawn in an electric field such that tangent at any point, if you draw the tangent, suppose here you want to find the intensity, electric field intensity. So that means you have to put a unit positive charge here. This plus charge, there will be a repulsion. And this plus charge, there will be a minus charge, there will be attraction. So at this point, you will have two forces. One force is directed outward, another is inward. So there are two forces. You can draw a parallelogram. These are two vectors. So resultant vector is calculated by constructing a parallelogram, and diagonal of the parallelogram will show you the resultant electric field intensity. And here if you draw the tangent, so the tangent will be the diagonal, and this will show the direction of the resultant. So at any point a tangent is drawn, so that will show the direction of electric field intensity at this point. Similarly, here suppose you want to find the resultant electric field intensity. Similarly also you can draw the tangent, and tangent will show the direction of electric field intensity at this point. Then what are the properties of electric lines of force? Electric lines of force starts from the positive charge and ends in negative charge. Here you see the lines of force is starting from the positive charge and ending in negative charge. First property is electric lines of force starts from the positive charge and ends in negative charge. Then electric lines of force can never pass through a conductor. The electric lines of force cannot never pass through a conductor. So electric field intensity inside a conductor is always 0. This is the second property. Then third property is electric lines of force enter or leaves the charge surface normally. Always electric lines of force passes normally. And two lines of force can never cross each other. You can see that no two lines of force can never cross each other, because if they cross, suppose the two lines of force will cross like this. So at the crossing point you will have two tangents. Two tangents means that will show two directions, which is not possible. So two lines of force can never cross each other. Then electric lines of force or flux are directed away from positive charge. We have seen for the first case it is directed away. For the second case it is directed towards the negative charge. So these are the properties of electric lines of force or flux. Then I will tell you what is electric dipole. Di means two poles close to each other is called a dipole. So electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called an electric dipole. Electric dipole. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Di means two poles very close to each other. Then electric dipole moment. The product of one of the magnitude of one of the charges and distance of separation between the charges, separation between the charges is called dipole moment, is called dipole moment. It is a vector quantity, means it has magnitude as well as direction. Since it is a vector quantity, it must have a direction. Direction is from negative charge to positive charge, and its direction is from negative charge to positive charge. Suppose you have a plus q charge here, minus q, two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Distance of separation is 2a, suppose. Plus q and minus q charges separated by distance of 2a. So the dipole moment, if P is the dipole moment, the product of one of the charges q into distance of separation between 2a and directed along negative to positive charge. That means direction of P is like this, from negative charge to positive charge. So P direction is like this, from minus charge to plus charge. If the minus charge is here, plus charge is here, then direction will be like this. Then we will find the electric field intensity due to dipole at two different positions, at end on position and at broadside on position. Consider two equal and opposite charges plus q and minus q separated by distance of 2a placed at A and B. Suppose here your plus q charge is placed at point A and minus q charge is placed at point B. The distance between them is 2a. And C is any point on the axial line. You draw the point a line, and on the axial line C is any point where we want to find the electric field intensity at point C, and which is at a distance of, this is the midpoint, O is the midpoint, that means this distance is A and this distance is A, and C is any point which is at a distance x from O, midpoint. That means CO is equal to x. O is the midpoint of the two charges. So at this point we will find the electric field intensity. So that means I have already told to find the electric field intensity. So you have to put a unit positive charge at this point. That is called a test charge. Test charge should be placed at the point where you want to find the electric field intensity. So that means here I have to keep a unit positive charge. So this one is a positive plus q charge, and here is one plus 1 charge. So according to Coulomb's law, so this charge will repel this positive charge. So electric field direction will be like this. This is one is U1. It will be outward because positive charge will repel this unit positive charge. So electric field intensity at C due to plus Q charge at A is E1 that is equal to आम आगे बाहर कर इंटेंसिटी ये डेफिनेशन इफ इट इज प्लेस्ड इन एयर मीडियम और वैक्यूम सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी विल बी 1/4 pi epsilon 0 दिस चार्ज Q divided by distance between this and this is kete it has x a distance how it has a so this total distance is AC so this is AC square. Electric field intensity E1 due to plus Q charge placed at A at point C is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by AC square. And AC you know AC is AO plus OC. OC is X and AO is small a. So this is AC is equal to X plus A. So that is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by AC is X plus A whole square. And since this is a vector quantity directed outward, I can write as directed along AC direction. So it has magnitude is this much and direction is along AC. Similarly, electric field intensity E2 at C due to minus Q charge at V. Same E2 रा केते हबो now that is also equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 say Q by से केते डिस्टेंस ए चार्ज टा केते डिस्टेंस अछि ना एति डिस्टेंस BC डिस्टेंस रे अछि that is DC square. BC टा केते ना OC होची X OB होची small a so X रो एति फेडी देले so BC हमें पाइबा so that is me 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q by X minus A whole square. BC होची BC is equal to whole OC minus OB. OC is equal to X, OB is equal to small a. So this is X minus A. BC is X minus A, BC square is X minus A whole square. किंतु आर डायरेक्शन कुआडे इटा नेगेटिव चार्ज एठी पॉजिटिव चार्ज अछि तेनो डायरेक्शन इज इनवर्ड along direction directed along CB. हला ताले कोटा बड़ एते देखिया दरकार कना सब तळे अछि जो क्वांटिटी रा सेरा कम हेले मैग्नीट्यूड आर अधिक हम तेणु x माइनस ए इज ग्रेटर दैन x प्लस ए यहाँ बहुत दूर अच्छी ए चार्जटा सी पॉइंट रू दूर अच्छी तेणु तार फील्डटा हूँ कम एवं यहाँ जेहेतु पाखे अच्छी तार फील्डटा हूँ बेसी तेणु E2टा हूँ ए केस रे गोटे लाइन एक्ट कर U1 ए दिगरे आड़क एक्ट कर E2टा अपोजिट डायरेक्शन एक्ट कर the resultant will be E2 এবং E2टा हूँ बड़ U1टा हूँ छोट जेहेतु E2टा माने यहाँ पाखे अच्छी माइनस Q चार्जटा सी पॉइंट नियर अच्छी प्लस Q चार्जटा सी पॉइंट ठारू दूर अच्छी तेणु दिस वन इज less than this one. So resultant electric field intensity at point C due to the two charges which constitute the dipole. So electric field intensity at due to the dipole at C due to the dipole is E that is equal to E2 minus E1. ताले कुआडे जीवो से डायरेक्शन कर जेहेतु एटा वेक्टर तार डायरेक्शन मध्ये थिबो डायरेक्शनटा होची कोन एटा जेहेतु बेसी एटा कम तेन डायरेक्शन मध्ये यारे गोटे लोक अच्छी मनकर जड़े एपटू ठेलुची सेपटू ठेलुची से कुआड़े जीव ना जो पटे अधिका फोर्स हम से पटे ही जीव तेणु इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स केते हम ना दैट इज Q बाय 4 पाई इप्सिलॉन 0 x माइनस a होल स्क्वायर माइनस Q बाय 4 पाई इप्सिलॉन 0 इंटू x प्लस a होल स्क्वायर हाँ so that is equal to E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 common नहीं गली Q by 4 pi 1 by x minus a whole square minus 1 by x plus a whole square directed कुआड़ जीव यारी along CB. So that is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 x minus a whole square into x plus a whole square. That is equal to x plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square, or that is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to x square minus a square whole square divided by it a square minus b square होची a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square होची 4ab 4x into a. That is equal to आम जाने Q into 2a 2 गोटे रखीदबा x रखीदबा ये 2 into QA by 4 pi epsilon 0 into x square minus a square whole square, and QA to product of one of the charges and distance between them, that is called the moment dipole moment. So this is 2x into P dipole moment divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 x square minus a square whole square to a, then x square will be very great compared to a square. So we can neglect the a square term compared to x square term. So in that case electric field intensity E will be equal to 2x P dipole moment divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. This one is neglected, so the x square into square x is 4, there is x, so this is equal to x cube. That becomes 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 x cube. This is nearly equal to. So this is the electric field intensity due to a dipole on the axial line, or that is called as end-on position. Similarly, for broad side-on position, so this is the plus Q charge and this is the minus Q charge. So they are placed at a distance of 2a. We choose a midpoint O. This is A and this is a point B. If you make a perpendicular bisector, it will be lamba haba taku से AB को मझे छेद कर, that is called perpendicular bisector. seize any point on the perpendicular bisector. So that is called the broadside on position. So a point at point C, we have to find the electric field intensity due to the dipole. So that means you have to keep here the unit positive charge here to find the electric field intensity. So we can find electric field intensity E at C due to plus Q charge at A. So that is equal to A point, C point and A point with a distance hochi. This is your AC. So here electric field is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 charge hochi Q divided by A C square. Distance ता भीतर होची AC एवं ए C पॉइंट x दूरतार अच्छी. C टा ये जो मिड पॉइंट ठारू x डिस्टेंस रे अच्छी. तेणु AC टा हो ये दिस इज ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो इन राइट एंगल दिस इज योर A, दिस इज योर x. सो corner square is equal to a square plus x square. So AC square is equal to, so that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by AC होची. AC रो मूल्य होची r square plus r square root over x square plus a square root over by AC square is equal to x square plus a square. The direction of a now this is the positive charge, this is the positive charge, so they will repel and direction will be like this. Directed along AC direction. Similarly, electric field intensity E2 at C due to minus Q charge at B. Minus Q charge टाको electric field intensity C point रे केते. So that is also E2. Same this, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 say charge Q किंतु केते distance रे जे अछि distance CB Q by CB square. Directed कुआड जीवो एटा directed along कुआड जीवो एटा माइनस चार्ज एटा प्लस चार्ज तेरो माइनस चार्ज टा प्लस चार्ज को अट्रैक्ट करिवो. सो इट इज along CB. Directed along CB direction. So that is also equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by CB टा केते एटा CB square is equal to सेंती एटा x एटा मध्य a. So this is x square plus a square. And directed along CB. इटा देखो U1 और U2 both are same. Now this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by x square plus a square. एटा मध्य से E2 is q by 4 pi epsilon 0 x square into a square. So then that means E1 is equal to E2. This is समबाहु त्रिभुज तेणु दुईटा बाहु समान तेणु the force acting electric field intensity E1 is equal to E2. Here the two vectors are acting at two different directions. So you can construct a parallelogram and the diagonal of the parallelogram will show you the resultant of electric field intensity. So the resultant electric field intensity, this is called broadside on position. So resultant field intensity at C due to the dipole. Resultant would theta force, if two forces acting at a point is represented by the diagonal of a represented as two sides of a parallelogram, then the diagonal of the parallelogram will show the resultant electric field intensity. So E will be equal to parallelogram law answer, E1 square plus E2 square plus 2E1 E2 cos of angle between them. It would lump jodi pakeva, and this one is parallel, so this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are equal. So this, if this is theta, this will be theta, this one theta, this one theta. So angle between them is 2 theta. So this is E1 square plus E2 square 2E1 A square plus B square plus 2AB cos of angle between the two vectors, cos angle hoji 2 theta. And we have seen that E1 is also equal to E2. So that is equal to E is equal to E1 square, E2 is E1, E1 E2 E1 square cos of 2 theta. So that is equal to 2E1 square then plus 2E1 square cos of 2 theta root over. So that is equal to, if you take 2E1 square common, so this is root over of 2E1 square into 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So that is equal to 2E1 square into 2 cos square theta root over. So that is equal to 4E1 square cos square theta root over, or that is 2E1 cos theta. And cos theta you know is from this triangle, cos theta is equal to B by H, base by hypotenuse, base is A. So this is 2E1 base of G A divided by base by hypotenuse, hypotenuse is x square plus a square root over. So this is x square plus a square root over. Root over means half. And E1 is, so E is now equal to E1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by x square plus a square, then cos theta is equal to A into x square plus a square to the power half. And 2qa is the dipole moment, so that is equal to P divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is x square plus a square to the power 1, and this is half. So 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So this is x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. So when x is greater than a, very large compared to a, so x square will be greater than a square. So you can neglect a square compared to x square. So in that case, electric field intensity will be P times 4 pi epsilon 0 x square 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, so this is x cube. So it's so electric field intensity due to a on broadside on position is P by 4 pi epsilon 0 x cube. For end on position, this is 2 times 2P by 4 pi epsilon 0 x cube. So on end on position, the electric field intensity is 2 times the electric field intensity due to broadside on position. So let us stop here. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much.